What's up YouTube? We are back again with another Ioffer unboxing. Today the package is a little bit small, but you know what I'm saying, that's what I ordered. But you guys absolutely destroyed the last video I had. It has more views than what I'm used to getting. But without further ado, let's get into this package. Okay, so as you guys can see, this package has not been opened up before, so I'm actually doing this right here with you guys. So let's see what we got. What I've ordered is the new addition to the bape collection. As you can see, I didn't actually know it was gonna come with this bag, but what I've ordered is like a little travel pack. It normally runs for $200, but I actually got it for 10 bucks. Okay, thank you guys for actually staying to the end and watching this whole video. I would like to say a little bit more about the bag. The bag actually arrived on time, which was a couple of days to a week, but it actually turned out sick. They even had the bag right and all the little small details that makes the bag what it is today. But thank you guys so again for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe.